Welcome to Hidden But Handy Episode 3. I am your host, Reno, your go-to place for decorating tips for rental apartments. In the previous episode, I shared some design tricks for remodeling a beat-up kitchen that costs just 20 euros. Today, we will dive into the magic of lighting as we will transform a basic rental flat in Hong Kong into a beautiful, cozy apartment, all on a limited budget.
Every room need to have rhythm. Ambience should dance with layerings. Without good lighting, everything will look flat and out of tune.
These type of fixtures that we purchased, it's really sturdy. It's very high quality material. And also, in comparison to a couple of years ago, I purchased something similar, and it's not as good. Definitely better and better. There are two options. The first option we can do is to find either one of them is pendant. The other one is some other fixture that is not pendant. You just want to have one focal point. And that's what I'm trying to emphasize. In this scenario, we got two pieces, right? It's gonna drastically drop the ceiling, doesn't give you that kind of illusion. The ceiling is very high, but having these two pieces of light fixture, it's gonna compress the ceiling and make the ceiling look lower. For this project, I intentionally chose low-profile fixtures with dimming and angle adjustments. This practical choice will offer a cleaner, modern touch and create the illusion of high ceilings. Plus, it will add the drama we desire later.
To create a little bit more drama for the entire apartment.
喂 ，Evan 啊，聽聞你咧其實係好細個就已經出嚟喺呢一行度打滾噶嘞喎。
嚇，係啊！一細個學，跟住就行下去啲地方再行。
哦。由細跟爹哋已經去開始學做呢一行嘅一個裝修，其實真係好少見到啲咁後生嘅師傅。To save time, you should always work with experienced and reliable technicians. This will help you to avoid any potential troubles later on. The quality of those LED light bulbs can make or break your design. Pick wisely. Too much of blue tones from those LED light bulbs can change the design drastically from a cozy living room to an alien spaceship, unless that's the vibe you are going for. So in our video, we purposely brighten the interior so that you can see the design details, but for yourself, make sure those light bulbs are warm enough and inviting. For the perfect ambience, you can consider a lighting temperature in the range of 27,000 K to 30,000 K for warm lighting.
係木板嚟，我哋收落先嗰啲位係木板嚟，但係嗰邊嗰盞咧，呢邊木板咯，呢邊係 concrete。哦。咁我哋啱啱好裝嗰個位咧，就喺正兩者之間，所以佢要開明啲嗰啲窿。係裝窿咗。OK，明白。
So what you're seeing is on the left side, it's concrete. And then on this side is timber with ceiling. Here, on this side, we have the wood ceiling, so it's much easier. What he has to do is to drill through those concrete on the ceiling on this side in order to mount those fixtures, just for this one. If the ceiling doesn't allow you to install new light fixtures, you can consider using floor lamps and table lamps at different heights. This will create layerings and drama for your space. If the room doesn't receive much natural daylight, consider adding lighting at the corners. This can help brighten dark areas and make the space feel more inviting. Proper lighting in the bathroom is essential. Ensure you have the effective illuminations coming from the front, not just overhead lighting.
A refreshing look, just the beginning of the transformation.
So, tell me, how did you? I mean, you're a designer. We work together. You worked on the Nicolo, an incredible brand of luxury hotels.
Well, we both did.
Well, we both did. How did you? Now you're looking at Hong Kong. You're looking at these pigeonholes. Whoa. How does that transition go to, or Where did you get that interest?
Well, I would say because
Stay tuned for the next episode.
I truly value your comments, so please feel free to share your thoughts below. And of course, make sure to give a like to this channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your notification. Thank you once more for tuning in. Let's create a beautiful world together. See you next time.